guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Navya Jain and I'll be really very happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. We are doing a challenge known as Instagram followers control my day. So in that, what's gonna be there on my story, I'll post a poll. I'll post 5 polls for today and they will have to choose. I will put a poll, supposing I'm putting my first poll that is for clothes. So whichever wins, like I'll put first outfit and second outfit. So whichever of the outfits win, I'm going to wear that outfit. So then the second, third, fourth poll like that. And this is going to be on polls my entire day. So whatever I'm going to do, I'll do it on your control. So yeah. I just uploaded my first poll that is of outfit and yet it's just 2 minutes up putting up the story. So once the story, once it's almost 15-20 minutes, I will share the screenshot and I will let you know which is the winner. Now almost 15 minutes up for my first poll and I have got a clear winner. And my first poll was outfit poll. So I had put the tank top and shorts and red top and skirt. So I've got a clear winner. The red top and the skirt has got 76% and the tank top and shorts have got 24%. So I think I'm going to wear the outfit and come back to you. So I have worn my outfit right now and so I wore it. Now I'm going to put my second poll that is of shoes or heels. So I am going to show you right now what pair of shoes and what pair of heels I've put for my poll. 1 second. So the shoes I have, these are the heels, black heels, and my sneakers or shoes. So this I have put the poll on my IG story. So now let's wait for 15 minutes again and let's see the results. The sneakers and heels ka result has also come. Again we have a very clear winner. Not a very clear, but it was kind of close. So sneakers has won again, as you can see. Heels is 42% and sneakers is 58%. So we are going to go with the sneakers. So I have worn my sneakers. So I wore my sneakers and the third poll is of it is for my eye look or my entire makeup. So my base is going to remain the same and my eye look is going to change. So my next is glitter look or smoky eye look. So I just uploaded the story, the poll. So yeah, we'll wait again for 10 minutes. Tab tak we will do our base and we'll be ready. And then ahead we will see what eye look we have to do. Finish my base makeup. Now only eye is left, eyebrow, lipstick and all of that is left. So now I will have to see the poll and see who won. Matlab glitter eye look or the normal smoky eye look. So wait. So clearly it is the glitter eye look has won. So can you see? Yeah, so smoky eye look has got 33% and glitter eye look has got 67%. So clear winner we have, that is the glitter eye look. So we will do the glitter eye look. The eye look, I think I've done a very great job at this. I've done a very great job at this, and the eyeliner, it was very difficult. That's why I did it off camera. So mascara done, liner done, everything done. The hair is left that I've now the next pole is of my hair only. So I am going to put a pole of wavy and straight hair. So now if I have got wavy hair, I am going to wavy है ही मेरे बाल. So I don't think I am going to do anything, but if it's straight, then I'm going to use my straightener and straighten all my hair. So yes. Now the next pole I have kept was the hair, and now we already have a very clear winner again. So it is wavy 60% and straight hair 40%. Can you see guys? Yeah, so it is it, and we are going to keep the hair the way it is. Now the fifth pole I'm going to put is I do a photo shoot in this, or I make TikToks in this and I post. So yeah. So again, after waiting for 15-20 minutes, we have a result. That is, pictures is 63% and TikToks is 37%. So I think I am going to take pictures. I can't think. I have to take pictures in this outfit. So I am going to do it, and I will put the pictures on my next slide, and I will let you guys see, and I'm also going to share it on my IG story. So now before I take pictures, I'm going to put one more poll and then go. I'm going to put a poll, should I drink coffee or should I drink Tang? So now I've got the last poll ka results also. Last poll, so it was cold coffee or Tang. So I've got 60% for cold coffee and 40% for Tang. So it is it's a clear winner. So I'm going to make cold coffee right now, and I will get that. Now I had half of coffee. Now coffee is here, and I'm done with my 6 polls. I was supposed to do 5, but I was like, it's okay, we can do 1 because just for that. So it is coffee, and this video is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed shooting it for y'all, and it was fun working on my eyes. I've done first time like this an eye makeup look. Like eyeliner also I've tried on my own for the first time. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.